So here is the detection of signals on my body. And every time I tweet about Waltech, I get scanned, and here is a scan. See how bright that is? So each time I tweet about Waltech making nasty comments about the ongoing targeting in this building, this is what happens. So they come out, and as I get these pulses, one of the contractor would say, "There you go," with a really good reference to what he just did. Either he's directly doing it, or he is contacting the person who's doing it with the computer. Now I heard that Waltech subcontracted from somebody or had a direct contract to surveil me. So the surveillance, as I'm demonstrating right here, is inside of my home with these signals. My body is being pulsed with these signals, and I am being tracked and looked at 24/7, silhouette style. My breast is being tagged, just like between my legs. And it would seem that when the contractor is on site, between my legs and my breasts are very, their favorite places to hit. So the temperature, 36.9. So my body is running hot, 37.4. 37.8 is a temperature, 37.4. So that was the huge pulse I just got as a direct result of my tweet about Waltech's comments. And how do I know? Well, Waltech contractors came outside my window and said, "There you go, you blankety blank whore." That's how I know it's related to them. They are actually physically, remotely assaulting me. And this is proof that they are, or colluding to. So the um, the RF readings, just gonna put my hand on here against my body. See how high that is? All the way down. And that's how fast the pulse is. So while Waltech, I'm suspecting, are pulsing my body this way using the technology that is around my unit and has been around in the building for at least 15 years, that I know of, that 15 years I've been experiencing these signals. I just didn't know what it was. Um, so while they are pulsing, they are making nasty comments. So why would they do it so openly? Or else I wouldn't know that they are related to these pulses if they did not openly make comments like, "There you go," and swear and call names, just like others in the building. So there is a pulse all the way back down.